So today I'll show you very simple ways of automating your printing with layouts. I'll show you the command fields and how to use it. So I have given you a template that you're going to use, and on specific parts of it you can automate some simple numbers. For example, you can work with the layout name and use that as your sheet name, and then also you can automate the process of uh, dating, so you can date your sheets as you go. So I'll show you those two fields and I'll be done with it. This is going to be a very simple tutorial. So the very first thing that you need to do is type in empty as for multi-line text. So write that down and just place it anywhere for now, and this is gonna be the area where I want to put my multi-line text. Alright, and if you don't like how it looks, you can always change the size, you can change the font. Let's make the font to Times New Roman for now, and let's change this to 0.5 or something. Alright, now I want to make this into an automated date. So what do? I need to press Ctrl F for fields. That's the shortcut for fields. So let's do that. Ctrl F. And now here you can select the field category into date and time. And then you can choose any date that you want. So instead of create date, I'll just click on date. This is something that will auto update. So when you print it, this will be printing on that print day's date. So now I have my date. You can see it's automatically March 2, 2026. And if I opened it tomorrow, this would be March 3rd, 2026. So that's one way of automating your date. If you don't see this date being automated, you can just do an RE. So RE for regeneration, and that should update your date. So that's how you create dates inside your AutoCAD layout automatically. Now let's go for page number or page name. So let's start with the same process, empty for multi-line text. Place it anywhere. We'll worry about the font size and style later. Now press Ctrl F one more time. This time around, what you need to do is go inside Other, then go inside System Variable, and then go inside C tab, and then you can use either lowercase or title case for your page name. Note that you need to change the name of the layout into a proper page name or page number. So let's place it here. And here you can see it's automatically layout 1. Now what would happen if I would have changed it to LA001? Or I guess it does not take colons, so LA underscore or LA space 001. And now if I pressed RE, you see that this has updated into LA001. And I don't have to do it over and over again. I can just copy and paste it to another layout, and this would automatically change its name. So that's how you can create the page name. And this would still stay the same if I would change the font size or font style. So let's make it into 0.5 like before. I should have, so 0.5, and let's make this Times New Roman. So there you go. This is how you can create page numbers and dates automatically with the fields command. Now let's see if we can create scale. So now let's create something in this page from the model. In the model I have some random rectangles drawn. So let's go to the layout and type the command mview for model view and create a window where this stays. Now double click it to activate, or You can just go for PS or MS as shown in class. MS for model space, PS for paper space. So let's go into MS for model space for now and set this scale to something that makes sense. So let's say this is something this is too big. Let's say this is something that's I like. Now let's do an M text again, multi-line text. Let's create the area for the text, and now Control F for fields. Here, instead of other, let's select objects, and now go for object again, and then select the object. So this window would be the thing as the object, and now here you can use the scale. So let's select the standard scale, and then you can use whatever you like. So uppercase, lowercase. Lowercase usually works, so let's do lowercase. This is too big of a font, so let's change the font size. 0.25. You have to select the font first. So let's make that 0.25, and you can also change the font size. So that's how you can show scale automatically. Alright, so that's like 3 commands within the field command. You can change the object scale, you can change the page name, and you can change the date all automatically through the fields command. So that's the power of fields.